Welcome back to the Source Garage. Today I'm doing a mystery box unboxing. This is from Detailer's Domain here. And thankfully I caught myself and didn't actually go rummage through it after I just cut it open. I was like, wait a second, I was gonna make a video on this. So anyway, I have it here, so let's go through and see what's inside, and I'll break out the cost of everything that we find in here and see what's actually worth versus what I paid for it. All right, so like I said, I already cut this open here. I have not gone through it yet, so let's see what all is in here. Nanolex SI Finish, 200 mils, sealant. This is a water-based sealant, okay. That. And so I hate these sprayers. I do not like these little things. It's like it's designed to like get on your fingers. I don't like that. And, Jescar Auto Wash Foaming Shampoo. So, nice big bottle of this, 32 ounces. Oh, and a wash mitt. Now, this is really funny because I gotta hang with me here for just a sec so I can show you. I can't get it open here. This wash mitt, if it's what I think it is, yep, it's exactly what I think it is. I actually have a bunch of these in another variation. Hold on a sec, garbage truck's here. So I'm actually about to film another video on wash mitts and my preference and theory behind what's the best and what you should use and all that. And so this mitt that just came out of the Detailer's Domain box, so I have a whole bunch of different mitts up here. But anyway, let me pull these out so I can show you. And of course I dropped one. Oh, don't worry, I'm not using these right now. This one needs to be washed, and I think one of these other ones does too. But so I have all these mitts here. This mitt just came from Detailer's Domain. Both of these, notice how they look here. Both of these came from suppliers in China as samples that I ordered. And these two, yep, this one's slightly bigger. So one of them's a square, one of them's a rectangle, is the exact same mitt. Looks pretty much identical. I don't think I can tell any difference. Let me look inside here. I take it back. There is a small difference in the texture of the inside. However, the inside or the outside is definitely the same thing, because a lot of different companies in China all use the same outside texture. So anyway, this thing cost $2 from China. I'm guessing this costs probably $10 on their website. These are the three things I got, which, wow, really, I guess I was expecting a little bit more. I'll be back in just a sec. I'm going to look up the price of these and I'll let you know, guess what the difference is here. So after a quick internet search here, on their site, the Nanolex SI Finish, this is a 200 milliliter bottle. This is $40 for a sealant, which is pretty high, if I'm being honest, for 200 milliliters of this. I mean, think how much you get for a bottle like Meguiar's Hybrid Ceramic Spray Wax. So $40. This is actually sold out on their website. I could find it on Detailed Image and AutoGeek. It's not on Amazon, but this was $15, or no, sorry, $14. And then this wash mitt, $15. You can literally buy two of these in a pack off Amazon with free shipping for, I think it's like 12 bucks. And like I said, I got these from my suppliers in China. These sell for $2 a piece. So they're selling them for $15. Holy crap, that's a lot. But so in total, $40, 14, 15, so that's 40, $69, nice. $69 in total here for this, or at least the value of it. Now I paid $35. This was on sale supposedly, or just whatever they marked the price at. $35 for these things. So do I feel I got my money's worth, so to speak, out of this? I gotta say no. This is not some premium fancy mitt. This is not an Incredipad which even then isn't, I don't think, worth the money. But this is a $2 mitt. This soap was sold out on their site. It's just a generic foaming shampoo. Probably not anything special. $14, I mean, that's at least fairly priced, I think, $14. This $40 for a single bottle of this Finish, man, this stuff better be magic. Now, I'm not going to say it's bad. I have not tried it out. But from just a perception standpoint, if I was going to get a sample pack, you know, this seems really expensive. So I'll have to see how it works, actually. So that's what I got for my Detailer's Domain box. Sorry, I got off on a tangent with the mitts here. It's hilarious. I can't believe this happened to be in here. Just perfect timing right before I'm about to film this mitt video. So that's what I got. I'll probably do some more of these from some other sites and just see what comes along. See if you think you get your money's worth out of them, get the value out of them. So if you've watched the whole time, support The Source. Check out thesourcegarage.com. I might be having these mitts up there soon enough myself for a much cheaper price than $15 a piece, I can promise you. And thanks for watching.